Setting your Z on G54 when you flip your part over. If you don't do this, once you flipped it, your machine could crash because it doesn't know where the Z is. And only way to do it the correct way is to touch off all tools again, or to go in G54, touch off with the main tool that's in there, which is tool 6. Tool 6, you see it right there. I know you kind of can't see it, but here. Tool 6, right there, you see it. And that's the only way. If not, you'll crash. Do mind the commotion in the back. This is a classroom portion as well. But to make sure your G54 is straight, you're gonna go in offset. You're in your work 0 offset. G54, you're gonna scroll over to Z axis. Make sure the tool that you touched off, because you flipped it over, without having to reset your tools and everything, your tool is here to your part. G54 is 0. Press Z face measure, you'll see the figure change, and now you're good.